All right, real quick. So this is a preference. I'm going to install the head studs on here before I bolt the engine together. I'm going to vacuum it out real quick before I put it together, just kind of ensure that there's no issues. But when you're putting these studs in, I use Permatex just a little bit, just kind of help seal those studs. But you don't have to bottom them out. You don't have to get crazy with it. Just make sure they're in there. Yeah. You got 4 long on the bottom, and the next size you got the medium ones on the left and the far right side, and the short ones are going to go in the top middle. I've got my stud installer here. I hope I go the right direction. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going.